May mga bago palang mukha doon, hindi ko makita ang likod eh. Hill to Alipon, to number 7, 2 points for Julius Babao. Number 47, De Los Santos to number 16 ba yun? Number 18. Nakakuha ng 2 puntos, number 18, pero may whistle ang referee. Delay of the game. Warning for delay in the game. Alipon has to good rebound by number 18, Robio to number 47, De Los Santos, Super Mario, delivery, 2 points for Super Mario. Villanueva to Alipon, naibig, nawala mula, nakuha uli na libod, back to Alipon, short, para yung butiki, rebound by the Chavez to De Los Santos, to Robio, 2 points for Robio. Dito lang ang palitan, makayupo lang.